a short review on Trust Wallet, crypto, NFT wallet, and a trust transfer account. So this is the official website, as you can see, trusted by 200 million peoples, founded in 2017. You can get it audited and certified by ISO. So this is building on trust. The name is also trust. So yeah, for the first time, if you want to try the trust website, that is the best platform that you can try to trade for bitcoins, to trade for like cryptocurrencies, and to trade for stocks. Now you will get simple and seamless assets, 10 million plus assets, 600 million plus FMCs, and any other details. You will be state private and secure on this website. In order to create an account, you simply have to download the application on Android device, iOS, and PC from the official website. As you can see, I am on. You will get added security, 0% tracking, proactive alerts for transaction, your one-stop Web3 wallet. So there is everything that you can get in this Trust Wallet's website in order to get or to trade with crypto. Thank you so much for watching this video.